Hi everyone, we've got a bikini to review today from Sherry 007. This one here was titled as a bikini diving suit. It was like push-up triangle diving suit. So taking a look at the pictures, I think this looks a little bit different here. I'll have to go back and double check and look at the picture again here in a little bit. But anyway, I had thought these were going to be flexible, but these are actually very tight. There is no elasticity to them. There is some elastic in the strings, of course, and it is a tie in the back for this. And I think that was one of the questions I think that I even asked actually about it. Was there a tie in the back? Because we weren't sure if it was just like a pullover or if it was one that you tied. So anyway, we got the answer to that one. Here are the triangles. They are unpadded. So as far as push-up, I don't know about that. And there is no slot in there to add a pad. However, there is two pieces of fabric there. So if you wanted to modify it yourself and just like pull that apart and then put a pad in, you can definitely do that. As we take a look at the bottoms, and this is the front, and then this one's the back, so you can see it's going to be a very cheeky bikini bottom there. And then right here on the top and the bottom, you can actually see the elastic thread all the way through because it's not covered up at all. So I don't know how I feel about that. We'll have to see how it looks actually once you put it on. And of course the elastic part is only going to be right here because the same as on the top. This part is not flexible at all. So even though there is elastic underneath there, there is no flex to it. So it's just going to flex on the top. So I believe this was the size. Alright, so we got two stickers, one size S and one size M on here. So it's either a size small or medium. I'd have to double check. Actually no, I know for sure it's a size small. But if we were to measure straight across without pulling it, it's about 13 inches, so you'd have a 26-inch waist right there. And then of course, as far as the top goes, you've got quite a bit of room to go all the way around. I wouldn't worry about that not being able to reach when you're looking at 42, 43 inches without it even stretching at all. So there's that. Neck straps look like they're plenty long as well, but next up is to actually get it on and try it on and see how it looks. Any questions, comments though, make sure to ask. We'll get to them as soon as we can. We did receive this for free in exchange for the review. Thanks.